This is a wise RynoWorx RY10 PRO. It's got many miles on it, leaving behind rubber droppings that have sealed cracks on many driveways and parking lots as well as roads. Think about the number of miles that are on this machine and think about the amount of money that was earned through this machine. Imagine being able to earn $1 for every step that you take when you're using this RynoWorx push melter and applicator. Today, you have the new RY10 PRO version 4 with the Rhino valve that prevents you from having to use a torch to heat the external valving system. The valve opens and closes inside of the chamber of the kettle. In addition, it has a halo base burner that slides into the back, which allows you to operate in an environment where your flames will no longer blow out because of the enclosed burner system. It's also got a thermocoupler for extra safety measures. You've got agitation on the fly, four-wheel construction. We call this safer, faster, and tougher. Welcome to RynoWorx Push Melter.